Alrighty, folks. Ryan Pineda just put out a video that said cash flow is dead. At one rental at a time, we simply do not believe that. What do I mean by that? Well, I was just talking with Matt, the mortgage guy. Obviously, he is a huge contributor to the one rental at a time family. He goes, you know what? Ryan is full of shit. He just this week, is involved in 16 cash flow transactions with ORAT families, folks. Again, it is out there. It takes work. It's not easy. But you know what, folks? We grind. We focus. We got daily discipline. And the ORAT family's got 16 transactions going just with Matt, the mortgage guy, just this week. So, Ryan, you're wrong. What say you, Matt?
Yeah, I mean, it's always awesome to work with the one rental at a time community. And, you and I both know, you get around enough investors, people are winning all the time. They were winning last quarter. They were winning the quarter before. They're going to win this quarter, and they're going to win in Q2 of 2026 as well. And it's really cool to get to live vicariously through some of these deals, whether it's a duplex in Tennessee or, some single family in Arizona. I really, really enjoy, so much so, Mike, that for a long time, I had strategic partnerships where, I couldn't get licensed in all 50 states. Between the continuing education, and it was just a lot. And I had so much dang business in California, Texas, and Florida. Up until 21, I only did California. And then I added Texas and Florida. With the one rental at a time community being so active, my Arizona license literally got approved today. And just so people like, hey, Matt, you've talked about Nationwide forever. I have, because I run alongside, a partner that gets your deal done in Montana and also gets your deal done in Nevada or Washington. But now it's like, I'm so dang busy in some of these states. I'm like, I'm just going to add it. This last weekend, I did 4 hours of the continuing education in Arizona, submitted it, paid, attested, all that stuff, Monday, and it got approved today. Just submitted Tennessee this morning. That one will probably be approved in the next couple of days. And man, it's fun to be.
We're moving and shaking. We're moving and grooving.
It's fun to be busy, and it's fun to, disprove all those naysayers, because, if nobody else is getting deals done, I can tell you one rental at a time community is, and, they're finding ways to make deals work. They're putting together great deals. They're getting, seller concessions, even in some markets where I feel like that stuff has slowed down. I'm like, oh, you're getting $8,000 in seller concessions on this $400,000 purchase. It's pretty nice.
I like it. Well, one of the things that I feel better and better about is 2026, even with Ryan, I tried to get people to realize that 2026 is going to be the year of the operator and the grinders, which is my community. My community mirrors my broken behavior of buy box, discipline, right? Disrespectful offers, follow up. And again, other people are going out and doing cash out refis. I just went out and raised $1 million because I wanted to have more dry powder and to get after what's coming. So 2026 is our world. It's not Ryan Pineda's. Ryan Pineda's world is 2020 and 21 and 22, where all you have to do is be dumb and lucky and let timing, bury you out of being a bad operator. I hated 21 and 22. 21 and 22 were just like 04 and 05. They were horrible years, right? 05 and 06, I mean. Because again, everybody in their brother was
21, I think, are the years you're talking about, low interest rates. And
21 and
maybe the first couple of months of 22.
That's what I meant. Yeah. So again, it's if you started this real estate game in 2020 and in 21, that's not real. And if you're Brian Davila and that's when you started and you think that's real and you want that time to return, I've got bad news for you, brother. It ain't coming. It's hard. It takes work. It takes consistency. And dude, that is what one rental at a time is. And we are going to crush it. I mean, again, I can't believe Ryan's putting out videos that says cash flow is dead or cash flow is a myth or whatever. And you've got 16 transactions this week with ORAT people. That's crazy.
Yeah. And what's exciting is I think about, the fact that, not just for mortgage brokers and real estate agents, everybody who kind of rode out the storm, but probably for the investors too.
Oh, for sure.
Who have rode out a storm of like things weren't easy, but I continued, to refine my buy box. I continued to look, I continued to get better. And now things are coming together. Deals are being put together. It's more rewarding when you have to trudge through it a little bit. And to your point, you start in real estate in 20 or 21, or you start as a real estate agent or a loan officer in 20 or 21. You just think it's easy. The worst thing you can do is win the first time you go to the casino.
Yeah,
right?
exactly. You're going to
You
guaranteed
set
lose.
Unrealistic expectations. And so, people are winning, and they're winning the right way. They're winning because they've done the work and they deserve to win, because, we're in an environment where you don't get rewarded just for showing up, and you don't get rewarded just for, throwing a dart and hitting anything. Like, it has to be more strategic. One other thing I think about too is, like, I've been watching some stuff, and me, like, I'm not in the weeds of the economic stuff. I'm just a public school kid who, works hard, adds a couple rentals, and, I'm going to be dumb and rich. But,
I don't mind. Dumb and rich is okay
right,
by me.
Exactly. But one thing that I see and that makes sense to me when these smart economics people talk is, like, when you have a dollar that continues to go down in value, and you have 30 some odd trillion in debt, which, it behooves the US government to print money and make the dollar less valuable. You have to hold on to assets. And so that's one thing that, like, a Pineda or these other guys aren't necessarily talking about. For the average person, like, that's the best defense against, a dollar being devalued. Inflation is, if you nothing else, hold a few assets, add a few rentals, one rental, like you talk about, like, 4 rentals drastically changes your life. And, like, when I talk to people who worked a job for 35 years and didn't do anything in real estate, and they're just like, yeah, I get $1,875 from Social Security, and I get this amount, I'm like, man, what would 4 paid off rentals look like in that retirement plan?
Yeah,
even in a lower cost area, you might be talking $7,000 or $8,000 a month in cash flow. And so that's the part that I get excited about, especially when I talk to young, like, at 45 now, Mike, I feel like I can call a 30-year-old a kid, but I've talked to more 26 and 22-year-olds that, the coolest part is the 19-year-old I helped buy a duplex. That's a 1 rental at a time kid. His parents introduced him, and I'm trying to ask those questions more now. Like,
we're making a difference. That's all I gotta say.
What pushed you to do it? And so I guess, since we're talking about 1 rental at a time community, the week of, the 3rd annual event, my ask for the community is, don't keep this information to yourself. Share it. Share the school community, share the information, because, whether it's your kid or your coworker or just a friend of yours, like, you can drastically change and help somebody's life. And it's so cool to hear, a 19 or 22-year-old kid that wouldn't have just woke up and done it. And quite honestly, 90% of them who don't have the good influences aren't doing it. They were coached. They were educated. They were told, hey, you should try this. And, like, the amount of, like, opportunity for them because of all the years they have ahead, it's just really cool to see.
It's sickening. It's awesome. Again, 1 rental at a time, folks. Again, I want you to realize 2026 is going to be amazing for us. Why? Couple of reasons. First and foremost, there's going to be lots of people relisting properties from 25. It's already 75,000 relisted. Why is that important? They're going to start taking price reductions, because, again, they are no longer stuck in the old price. They know they need to deal, and you can ask for credits and get buy downs and all of these other amazing things. You could take a good deal and make it a great deal in 2026, but you got to be part of the community. You got to do the work. You got to have a buy box. Got to be disciplined. But cash flow is alive and well. In Matt the Mortgage Guy, just one lender who's on the ORAD family's got 16 transactions started this week. So don't believe the hype. It is possible. It is real, but it does take work. Matt, where can they find you?
Go to mtmg.com. Me and my team are more than happy to help. In case anyone's confused, any state I can help you with. I've got strategic partners in all states. I'm adding licenses. So, I can be personally involved and, loan originator on record in as many states as possible. But people are winning all over the country. We want to be part of it. I want to have the conversation with you, help you with your game plan, help you with the roadmap, and prepare before you go out and just start throwing darts, right? Be strategic about it. So mtmg.com is how you connect me and my team.
Thanks, family. And we will see you in Vegas in like 3
See you this
short
weekend.
days. Take care.
What's
man.
your mom's name?
Dorothy.
Dorothy. It was great talking to Dorothy. I look forward to seeing Dorothy there as well.
Yeah, she'll be there. Thank you, buddy. Take care.
Thanks, Mike.